These AI influencers can chat with you and keep you hooked for hours with their conversations. They might get mad, upset, or even flirt with you. They can even snap selfies and send them your way. Most of them can talk too.
Thanks for the compliment, but let's not get too comfy. I'm not always this cute. Today's just a good hair day, and I'm feeling extra sassy.
See? Isn't it amazing? You can fully train and teach it how to interact with audiences and how to speak. Let me just say, this could even be the easiest way to create consistent characters. Imagine creating a TikTok or Instagram account and uploading photos and videos of your influencer. Then, the audience can chat and spend time with it. What's awesome is that it can be totally different from other influencers because you decide how it looks and what its personality is like. For example, it could be a lonely girl from a small town, or Zoe, the anime girl, or the Dark Lord of the Underworld, Evil Elon, Drunk Lincoln, or even a hamster. The AI we're testing today can generate photos of your character in different situations and locations, and it can even create its voice. With AI influencers becoming a trend and people making loads of money from them these days, this AI can be super useful. If you want an AI influencer that everyone can chat with live, stay with me in this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, we first need to fully define the personality of our character, including both physical and behavioral traits. We need to know what our character looks like, their gender, age, how they talk, what they like, and other details. If you don't have ideas for it, don't worry, it's really easy. The second step is creating the AI influencer bot, which is the main focus of today's video. Next, we'll create different photos of our character in various situations and locations. Here we can even use AI to make videos for a greater impact. The last step is creating accounts on networks like Instagram and TikTok and sharing the photos along with the chatbot link with the audience. And just like that, you can have a live AI influencer. To begin, head to the Cantina AI website through the link in the description. This platform has creatively created a space where there are lots of bots with different personalities that you can chat with, and you can also create your own bot and place it among them. You can add it to various rooms, let people get to know it and chat with it. For example, click on Cassie here. You can view the character's personality, selfies, and detailed info. Your influencer, in addition to TikTok and Instagram, can also gain followers here and interact with audiences. After signing up, click on Create Bot. In the first step, you can define your character's appearance, and there are 3 ways to do this. You can generate an image of your character by writing a simple prompt. If you already have the character's image from other AI tools, you can upload it here. Just make sure to follow the guidelines. But the most fun part is creating it yourself. In this section, Cantina generates your character based on the details you provide, and you'll have full control over it. Here you have lots of options like age, nationality, hairstyle, eye color, and body, which I think are more than enough to create a custom character. Finally, you can write a simple prompt to describe your AI influencer's overall appearance to get the desired result. In the next section, you'll write their full name and username. You have 2 fields to provide a brief bio and a more detailed description about your character's life story or abilities. Then specify their age and gender to display in the profile. The most important part is the prompt, where you can control the bot's behavior and personality. You'll need to write a prompt up to 10,000 characters to teach it how to create content. I recommend checking the bot guidelines to get it just right. You can set the response style, deciding whether the bot's answers are long and detailed or short and chatty. This depends on the character's personality and usage. For instance, if it's a scientific character, the answers can be long, while if it's just an influencer, set it to short. With the spiciness option, you can limit how much inappropriate language the bot can use. The random prompt feature can make things easier by giving you great suggestions to choose from. You can analyze their structure to create a great and professional prompt for yourself. You can even use ChatGPT to help you craft it. Here you can select a custom greeting for the bot. In the image creation section, you can allow it to send selfies or not, and even specify the selfie sizes. Finally, there are advanced settings to fine-tune your bot and get it exactly the way you want it. And just like that, your influencer bot is ready. Now, all you need to do is select a few tags from the ones available here that best match your bot. You can view all the details, make edits, join different rooms, and even test it.
A few moments later.
As you can see, it works perfectly and responds just the way you defined it. For selfies, you can ask it for help, or if you prefer, you can reference it in other AI tools to generate images. I have a few videos about creating consistent characters, and I've placed the link up top for you to check out. The images generated are private by default, but you can choose to display them on the profile. Through this option, you can copy its profile link and upload it to your Instagram, TikTok, X, etc., along with photos and descriptions to help it get followers. This is definitely one of the newest ways to make money online. It's constantly evolving and has the potential to be highly profitable for you. Online influencers can serve many purposes. They can be incredibly effective in the advertising and entertainment industries, creating engaging content. In my opinion, this method could be a great way for you to earn income. Cantina is a fun and exciting platform where you can spend time chatting with different AI bots. They can be super entertaining and at times even educational. If you create your own AI bot, it can interact with you exactly the way you want, behaving and responding in line with your needs. Beyond that, there are so many other possibilities. For example, imagine you have a storybook or an animation, and you create AI bots for its characters. Your audience can then interact with their favorite characters, chat with them, and have a great time. As I mentioned earlier, creating consistent characters is another exciting feature of this platform, which you can currently use for free. Don't forget to click the link in the description to visit the Cantina website and give it a try. I'm sure you'll find it fascinating. If you enjoy content like this, subscribe to the TutStick channel so you'll stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, stay creative.